Hello and welcome to today's lesson on space, not outer space. We're going to be talking about space as one of the 7 elements of art. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about an artist named MC Escher. We're going to be talking about the words negative and positive space. We're going to learn what those words mean, and then we're going to make an activity using negative and positive space. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Our artist for today is MC Escher. He was a Dutch artist that was born in 1898 and died in 1972. Now, MC Escher loved math, and a lot of his artwork is more math than maybe art. But he wasn't very good at math. Do you guys love something that you're not that good at yet? I know that I love to read. Am I the best reader? No. But like MC Escher, I keep trying and persevering to get better and better at something that I love. Let's take a look at a couple works by MC Escher. What we're noticing is that he's using a lot of shapes and a lot of patterns. But he's also using something called negative and positive space. And that's what we're going to be learning about today. So let's move into our lesson on negative and positive space. Negative and positive space is more than just background and foreground. You see the Toon Squad behind me? I'm a member of that team, arguably the best player. Now, if I'm the captain of the Toon Squad, can I be the captain if there is no Toon Squad? No. If I don't have my team, I can't be the captain. It's the same with negative and positive space. If you don't have the positive space, you can't have the negative space. So they have to work together, just like a team has to work together. So today we're going to learn about how you use negative and positive space to create a work of art. Let's get started. What you're going to need today is just a sheet of paper and a pencil. It does help if you have a marker. I'm going to use a marker in this one, but if you don't have a marker, a pencil works fine. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a line of symmetry. And we talked about symmetry meaning it's the same on both sides. So I'm actually going to divide my paper right down the middle. So I have 2 equal sides. That's going to be useful. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some shapes that go on my line of symmetry. Now, this isn't exactly symmetrical. This is a little bit too big, so you want to move it over. But since I use a marker, I can't erase it, so I'm going to keep going with it. I'm going to make another shape. And my last shape, I'm going to do an organic shape. Now, if it's that side on there, it's got to go that side on there. This kind of looks like a mustache. Okay. Now, for today's positive negative space project, what we're going to do is we're going to add one side to make it the positive space and one side to use the negative space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to a thicker marker. And I'm going to start off by coloring in one side. Now I'm going to fast forward this part so you don't have to watch it all the way through. Okay, so for negative and positive space, we have to have that idea of symmetry as well. So I'm going to do the opposite, the negative of this. So I have the positive space being my black. So I want to use all this negative space to define my positive space on this side. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Now I'm going to go through and finish coloring all of this later today. But what I need you to do today for today's assignment is pick some shapes, use your line of symmetry. On one side I want you to do negative space, on the other side I want you to do positive space. And you can use a marker, pencil, you can actually use a crayon if you want to use color, that's fine too. But try to get something done today. On Thursday we're having a new assignment, so show me that you understand our negative and our positive space. Be creative. Remember, you need balance. So am I going to color this one in? No, I'm going to color around this one. Take your time, try your hardest to be the smartest artist, and I want you guys to, until next time, stay safe and stay creative.